Atong Ang and Zaldico in particular. Kasi
latest from
ang
Atong.
alam natin, red notice na lang ho yata ang way for
Yes,
it to be arrested.
Nag-apply kami ng Red Notice September 2025. Yung Interpol sa France, hindi pa ginagrant yung Red Notice hanggang ngayon. So September, complied na kami sa kanya. September 2025, nag-apply na kami. It turns out, iba pala ang batas sa Pilipinas saka sa Interpol. Basta doon may political inkling na konti, ay di-delay nila. In-investigate nila na silang kanilang sarili. But I'm confident we'll get the Red Notice and I'm confident we're gonna get Zaldico back here to the Philippines.
The red notice is the only hope we have, Sec, no?
Yes,
for
it's
him
the
to
only
get
hope
him
we have.
back.
Yes. I'm confident makukuha natin yun.
Do you have a timetable? You have the
Wala lang. But we are working very hard on that.
Paano po pag umandar na po yung political asylum po ni Zaldico? Mas mahihirapan na po ba tayo? Mawawalan saysay na po ba yung red notice?
Unahin muna natin yung Red Notice. Kukunin namin siya bago... I'm confident na bago siya matapos yung mga asylum application niya, makukuha na natin si Saldi.
Bago mag-grant yung ano po?
Bago matapos. Oo.
Okay.
Sorry.
6-month application process kasi yan eh. Sometimes tumatagal ka. Tulad si Harry Roque, officially this week, tapos na ang kanyang 6 months. So we will know kung by today kung granted na o hindi. Kung hindi na grant, pwede na siya expel doon kasi wala na siya travel papers eh. At saka yung kaso niya kasi is human trafficking. Kaya iba ang level doon. Na banned sa lahat ng mga bansa talaga.
Sec, why are we that confident that we will be getting ko soon?
We're working very hard. Hindi talaga kami tumitigal dyan. Yung nakuha siya sa Czech Republic, agad-agad pinadala na yan DOJ, we did all we could. But it doesn't always work to our favor, di ba? But now we see that this world is getting smaller. Palitan ng palitan mundo niya. Eventually, makukuha rin natin yan.
On him, like we know he's
Well, he was in Portugal. Kasi ito yung last itinerary niya eh. Portugal, Italy, France, Prague, tapos pa-enter siya ng Germany nung napigil siya sa border. Ayun yung naging ano niya.
Net 25.
Yes po. Hi, Sir Mads po from Net25. Sir, yun bang political asylum request ni Zaldico sa France? Tingin mo ba malaki yung epekto niya kaya natatagalan tayo sa pag-release ng Red Notice?
Hindi naman. Kaka-apply niya lang last week ng political asylum. So, the Red Notice has been 6 months ago na kami nag-apply. But it's not related to the two. Walang kinalaman yan.
Ano kaya, sir, yung nakakapagpatagal?
You have to ask Interpol. I wouldn't know. Hindi ko alam talaga.
Pero hindi siya, sir, napag-usapan yung meeting ni President with the representative of
I was not there, so hindi ko alam ang anong napag-usapan nila.
As of now, nasa Portugal talaga siya. Or nasa Czech.
Nasa France siya.
France na ngayon.
France
Meron po, posible ba yun, sir, na yung Philippine government parang coordinating with the French government o French government para mapigilan yung hinihingi niya na asylum?
Ayun naman, I think there are conversations going on to that effect. Nag-uusap naman sila. He has a house in Champs-Élysées na 10 bedrooms na malapit sa Christian Dior. Ganito kalaki yung taas yung mga ceiling ng 10 bedrooms. Probably worth maybe $200 million euros yung isang bahay na ganun.
So, doon siya ngayon, nag-stay.
At saka yun,